Hello friends, in this video tutorial we will discuss about the static block in Java. In my previous lecture we have to discuss about the static method. So first question is that what is static block in Java? A static block is a normal block of the code enclosed in braces and preceded by the static keyword. It is also called a static initialization block. The main use of a static block is to initialize the static variable in Java. A class can have any number of static blocks and they can appear anywhere in the class. The static blocks are called in order that they may appear in the source code. This code will be executed when the JVM load the class. JVM combines all these blocks into one single static block and then executes. Let's see with practical. Here I am using the Eclipse as a IDE, integrated development environment, and first of all I have to click on the file and then click on the new and take a Java project. Here we need to write my project name and simply I am giving my project name as a static block demo and then click on the next and then finish. My project displayed under the package explorer and simply I have to explore my project and then right click on the src folder. Pop-up menu will display and simply I click on the new and take a class. Here we need to write my class name and simply I am giving my class name as a static block and check the public static void main stub for the main function and then click on the finish. Okay, my class is created here successfully with the main function, main method, and here I am going to declare a static variable MSG and terminate it with semicolon and then static block static and then curly bracket and here I am writing system.out.println. Okay, and then bracket. Within the bracket, within the double quote, I am going to giving the message, this is my first static block. Okay, look here, this is the static block. You simply write here the static and then curly bracket, opening and closing. You can initialize the value of static variable and if you want to give any message then you write in the body of static block and here giving here initialize the value of MSG as a this is static variable MSG. Okay, and here I am going to create a constructor of this class public static block and then giving here the message system.out.println. Press enter and giving here the message, this is the constructor. Okay, and then press enter. I am going to create another static block giving here the message this is second static block, and then press enter. And here I am going to create a static method show method, and within this I am using the system.out.println, and simply printing the message value, providing this piece and then MSG. Look here, this is the static variable MSG, and initialize into the first static block, and creating here the show method as a static method, and displaying the value of MSG with the help of show method of static. And then I am again creating a static block, and giving here the message system.out.println, and right here this is third static block. Okay, look here, I am creating three static block, one constructor and one static method and one static variable. The MSG static variable, we have to initialize the value of MSG into the first static block. This is static variable MSG, and then here I am creating I have to create the static block and constructor, and simply print the message this is constructor in the body of the constructor, and then I have to create second static block, and this is second static block, simply print the message, and this is the static show method, print the value of MSG variable, and this is the third static block. So according to my definition, all the static block will be executed in order to they appear in the program or in my source code. So this static block first execute, and then second static block, and then third static block will be execute, and then constructor execute, and after that we will call the method so in the main. So first I have come inside the main method and creating the static block class object new static block and terminated with semicolon, static block dot show method calling here, and save it. So please fully concentrate on the static block. The main use of static block is to initialize the value of static variables, and they may execute in order to appear in the program. This is load the JVM load the static block at the time of class loading, and look here, according to my program, the first 3 static block execute one by one, then constructor, and then show method. Here I am calling. So the output will be first display, this is my first static block, then this is my second static block, and then this is third static block, and then constructor, this is constructor, and then show method simply print the MSG. This is my MSG, that value stored into the MSG variable. Okay, and save it and run it. I have to right click on my project and then run it, Java application. Okay, look here, this is my first static block, then this is second static block, then this is third static block, and then this is the constructor and MSG. This is static variable MSG. Okay, thank you friends, please subscribe my channel. First one thing is that before 1.7 version of JDK, you can run your program without main method. Directly you can write the static block and execute the program. But from JDK 1.7, we can't run the program without main method. If you run the program without main method, then it will get added. So previous version of the JDK without main method, you can run the static block, and this is the interview questions. How can we run the Java program without main method? Before 1.7 JDK, we can run the program, but JDK 1.7 and upper version, we can't run the program without using the main method. Thank you friend, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.